watching Next Gen Speed. Here we got a 2019 Camaro SS in the shop today for a 2019 and up ZL1 1LE style bumper kit. Got the bumper off right here, swapped off. Gonna be swapping everything over onto the new one. Here we got the new one put together. Pretty much takes 1 to 2 hours to get this piece put together, but the hardest thing is getting the actual splitter on for the 1LE style. So the splitter goes on before the actual bottom grill goes on, and the hardest piece is getting these side pieces to sit flush to make sure there's no gaps on the side of the bumper. We have a solution. We've done many of these installs, and the best possible solution is get these clips nice and snug, and just to add a zip tie in the back to pull it through to make sure it's nice and flush, and to also put the bumper onto the ground and kind of rock it back and forth to add pressure where the splitter is, to make sure the clips slide in and then lock. I think I had to swap everything over from the OEM bumper to the new one. We also have these mesh grill sims we like to add into the air deck area to make sure no debris gets in and to add a nice clean OEM look. Once you get everything swapped over from the harnesses to the clips to all that good stuff and the side markers, want to make sure everything swaps over and be good to go to put onto the car. The only modification you have to do is with the headlight area. These are these little clips that you will have to slice off to make sure the headlight splits flush if you have the signature style headlights. Last but not least, add these little splitter end caps and you're good to go. Looks great, adds a much more aggressive look, matches the 1LE style perfectly, and fits all 2019 and up SS, RS, LT, LT1, but does not fit the OEM ZL1. Got this available at nextgenspeed.com or Next Gen Speed in Canton, Michigan.